Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to effortlessly transfer your Instagram account from one phone to another. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, make sure both of your phones are connected to the internet. Also, ensure that you have the Instagram app downloaded on both devices. On the device you're currently using, open the Instagram app. Tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the three lines at the top right corner, go to Settings and Privacy, and scroll down to Log Out. Before logging out, make sure you know your login details. Confirm the log out. Now, grab the new phone you want to transfer your Instagram account to. Open the Instagram app, enter your username, email address, or phone number associated with your account, along with a password. Tap Login, and it will take a moment to log into your Instagram account on the new device. And there you have it. Your Instagram account has been successfully transferred to the new phone. That concludes this tutorial. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos like this one.